Good morning, students. Welcome once again. I, Neeraj Singh, is here to teach you mathematics for class 10th. Students, in this video, you will learn the following topics. The first is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, finding HCF using fundamental theorem of arithmetic, finding LCM using fundamental theorem of arithmetic, and the last one, relation between the HCF and LCM. Students, before we start fundamental theorem of arithmetic, I want to tell you some important definition which is used here. The first is prime number. Students, you know about the prime number very well, but here we again remind you a number which is exactly divisible by 1 and number itself is called a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Here each and every numbers have only two factors, that is 1 and number itself. Let us suppose we take number 5. Then 5 is exactly divisible by 1 and number itself as by 5. Therefore 5 is a prime number. Next one is composite number. Students, composite numbers are whole numbers that can be divided by numbers other than 1 and number itself. For example, 4, 6, 8, 10 and etc. If we take 8, then 8 has factors it is divisible by 1, it is also divisible by 2, it is also divisible by 3, and it is divisible by 4, and it is divisible by 8. Means 1, 3, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of this number. So this is a composite number. Next one, the main topic which we have to learn here, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Students, this theorem tells us about expressing positive integers as the product of prime integers. The statement of this theorem is every composite number can be expressed as the product of primes, and this factorization is unique except for the order in which the prime factors occur. Here the word unique means that if the factors are arranged in ascending order or descending order of magnitude, then they are always same. Let us see the example. We take a number 50. When we factorize into its prime factor, then 50 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 5, 5 2 is 10, into 5 and 10 5 is 50. Or 50 can also be written 5 into 2 into 5. 5 2 is 10, 10 5 is 15. Or this can also be written 5 into 5, 5 5 is 25 into 2, yani means 50. Students, it means if the order of their prime factors are either ascending order or in descending order, then there is no effect on the magnitude. Students, next one, finding HCF by prime factorization. Here HCF HCF. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. Now we take a question. Find the HCF of 336 and 156. Let us see the solution of this question. Students, first of all, we factorize the given number into its prime factor. Then we get, when we factorize 336, then we get the factors, prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And when we factorize 154, then we get 2 into 7 into 11. Here the common factors are 2 and 7. We know the HCF of two numbers is equal to product of the common factors. So HCF of 336 and 154 is equal to the product of common factor, means 2 into 7, that is equal to 14. Next, find LCM by prime factorization. The full form of LCM is L for least, C for common, M for multiple. Here we take a question. Find the LCM of 120 and 144. Let us see the solution of this question. First of all, we factorize the given number into its prime factors. Then we get 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. LCM is equal to product of the common factors and remaining factors. So LCM is equal to, the common factors are 2, 2, 2, 3 times 2, and the remaining factors are 2, 3 and 5, and 1, 3 is also common. So the product of these terms is equal to 720, which is the LCM of 120 and 144. Next, relation between the HCF and the LCM. The product of HCF and LCM of given natural numbers is equal to product of the given number. Let us suppose A and B be the two numbers, then HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. Now see a question on the basis of this relation. The HCF of two numbers we have given 145 and their LCM is 2175. And if one number is 725, then what will be the other number? Let us see the solution of this question. Solution. We know that by the relation HCF into LCM of finite numbers is equal to product of the two numbers. Then other number is equal to HCF into LCM upon the first number. So HCF is 145 and LCM is 2175. Then we can write it 145 into 2175 upon first number, that is 725. When we solve the above expression, then we get 435, which is the first number. Students, this was all about the today's topic. Thank you for watching.